Hi, welcome to Tap Tech *. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is here, and it's a step forward in smartphone gimbals. Right from the unboxing, it's clear that DJI wants to make things simple and travel-friendly. The package includes the gimbal, a tripod base, a USB-C cable, the magnetic clamp, and a pouch. Everything feels neat and well-organized. The gimbal itself is compact. It folds up nicely and feels light in hand. Yet, despite the size and weight, it's sturdy. DJI used quality materials here. The handle is textured, so it won't slip easily. You can tell this is made for long shoots and outdoor use. Setting it up takes seconds. Just unfold it, attach the magnetic clamp to your phone, and you're good to go. The magnet is strong and reliable. Even larger phones, like the iPhone 15 Pro Max or Galaxy S24 Ultra, stay locked and tight. No shaking or slipping. Now, the star of the show, stabilization. The Osmo Mobile 7 comes with improved 3-axis stabilization. Walking shots, running, panning, everything looks buttery smooth. DJI refined the motor control to make transitions softer. The result? More cinematic movement, less jitter. You can film while walking down a street, turning corners, or even jogging, and the footage remains steady. This makes a huge difference when you're trying to get that professional look from just your phone. Then there's ActiveTrack 7.0. It's DJI's best subject tracking system, so FARIT follows your subject with better accuracy than ever. People, pets, or objects, you just tap and go. Even if your subject turns around, moves quickly, or gets briefly blocked, the gimbal quickly finds them again. I tested this with a friend running around a park. The Osmo kept him in frame almost the whole time. Even when he ducked behind a tree, the gimbal found him again instantly. It's seriously impressive. For solo creators, this is a dream feature. Set the gimbal on a tripod, stand in front of it, and it'll track you as you walk, talk, or move. No need for a second person behind the camera. Just you and your gimbal. DJI also improved gesture controls. A quick hand wave or peace sign can start or stop recording. It's simple, and now it responds faster. This is super helpful when you're away from the camera. Another major feature is Shot Guides 2.0. It's like having a director on your phone. The gimbal gives you real-time prompts, telling you how to move, where to go, and how to shoot. After capturing the clips, the app automatically edits them into a cool little video. This is perfect for beginners or even advanced users who want quick results. Travel clips, product showcases, and daily vlogs get a major upgrade using Shot Guides. The classic DJI features like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and dynamic zoom are all still here, and better. The software is cleaner, and the transitions feel more natural. Dynamic zoom, for instance, creates that zoom in while pulling back effect you see in movies. Hyperlapse lets you film time passing as you move, with surprisingly stable results. Everything works seamlessly with the DJI Mimo app. Speaking of the app, the new version is faster and more intuitive. You can control tracking, set modes, switch orientations, and even tweak settings like ISO and shutter speed if you want. Switching from portrait to landscape takes just one button press. For social media creators, this is perfect. 1 second. You're filming horizontal for YouTube, and the next you're vertical for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Battery life is strong too. You get around 10 hours of runtime on a full charge. That's more than enough for a full day of content shooting. When it's time to recharge, it's quick thanks to USB-C. DJI also improved the button layout. The joystick is more responsive. You can make smooth pans manually now. The zoom slider works well too, and the trigger makes switching between modes feel quick and natural. Bluetooth 5.1 means faster, more reliable connections. Pairing the gimbal with your phone is nearly instant, and it stays connected well. If your phone supports it, you can even use the gimbal to trigger the native camera app. Now, about video quality. Of course, the gimbal doesn't change your phone's camera, but it improves how stable and cinematic your footage looks. Even phones with good built-in stabilization benefit from a gimbal. You can shoot smoother low-light footage. Panning is more controlled. Moving shots feel intentional instead of shaky, whether you're walking, circling a subject, or filming something fast, the Osmo Mobile 7 gives you more control. It turns basic clips into professional-looking shots, and that's the real magic here. This gimbal unlocks your creativity. You can shoot in ways that are impossible to do handheld. Want a slow arc around someone? Done. Want to film yourself walking while staying centered in the frame? Easy for content creators, vloggers, and mobile filmmakers. This opens up a lot of doors, but it's also great for live streaming. Mount your phone, activate face tracking, and stay centered on camera the whole time. Whether you're doing product demos, tutorials, or just chatting live, it keeps your video looking professional. Now, there are a few limitations. Phones with thick cases may not fit well in the magnetic clamp. You might need to remove your case every time you want to use the gimbal. It's not ideal, but manageable. Also, the gimbal isn't water resistant. That means be extra careful filming near water or during rain. It's a high-tech tool, not a rugged outdoor gadget, and while the Mimo app is powerful, it doesn't give you access to every camera feature on every phone. Some flagship devices still shoot better with their native apps. But for most use cases, the Mimo app gives you the advantage of stabilization and tracking. Despite these small issues, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 delivers where it matters, that it's compact, smart, and smooth. It simplifies advanced video techniques. It helps you get better shots with less effort. And it adapts to how you create, whether you're holding it, mounting it, or filming solo. This gimbal is a content creator's tool, but it's also beginner-friendly. You don't need to know about camera settings or advanced moves. Just follow the shot guides or enable tracking, and you're ready to shoot. For travelers, it's easy to pack. For vloggers, it's quick to set up. For businesses doing product videos or interviews, it adds polish to every frame, and with features like gesture control, tracking, dynamic shooting modes, and long battery life, it's a smart upgrade even. If you own a previous Osmo Mobile model, that DJI has proven once again they know what creators want. And they've managed to squeeze a lot of pro-level tools into a tiny package. If you're wondering whether a gimbal is still worth it in the age of stabilized phones, the answer is yes. Phone stabilization is good, but physical gimbals are better. You can pan, orbit, slide, tilt, and track in ways that software stabilization just can't match. Your footage looks cleaner. Your camera movements look intentional, and when you're editing later, everything fits together more smoothly. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 doesn't just make your shots look better, it helps you think more creatively. You start planning your shots. You start thinking in movements. And that's the beginning of better storytelling. So, is it worth it? If you care about how your videos look, and you want to make better content without carrying heavy gear, absolutely. This is one of the most versatile tools you can add to your mobile setup. It's priced reasonably, performs beautifully, and lasts long enough to handle full shoot days. Whether you're filming adventures, creating tutorials, or capturing moments with family, this gimbal helps you do it better. So, that's it for DJI Osmo Mobile 7. Thanks for watching this full review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tap Tech. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and camera tests coming your way. Until next time, shoot smooth and stay creative.